minus we can say potential energy is going to be half K. Now, and what is the kinetic energy is going to be? Kinetic energy is going to be, we know, half mv square. This is the formulas of the potential energy and kinetic energy.
Okay, consider this function.
So here we have to remember one note. We have to take the one condition here. So that condition is at one point the kinetic energy is going to be potential. So this is the condition.
Modulus of signum function.
Not every point it is going to be at one position only is going to be.
What is signum function? Signum function is 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 x equals to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Now f of x is modulus of signum x. Signum x, which is 1 if x not equal to 0 and 0 if x equals to 0.
So that's why I take it.
So if I make the graph of this function, at 0 this will be my graph, and other than 0 this will be the graph. This is here isolated point.
This is the velocity of the object or velocity of the state.
0 is isolated point.
Everyone? Yes, please respond. Hello? Yes. So now we have to talk about the graph. So if I take a graph, and just to see, I am taking the
From this graph, it's evident that f of x has isolated point discontinuity at x equal to 0. In this case, also we can remove this. We can redefine this function. If we redefine this function at x equal to 0, if we define f of x, which was sgn x, modulus of sgn x equals to 1 x equal to x not equal to 0 and 1 also at x equal to 0. If we define this function like this, so otherwise what we can say, sgn of x modulus of sgn of x not equal to 0 and 1 at x equal to 0. Now my function becomes this. It will become f of x this function. It is again continuous function. So in removable discontinuity, we have two types of discontinuity. One is isolated, like this. One point will be defined separately, only one point, or maybe few points, or maybe some infinite points. Let's suppose f of x equals to 1 for x belongs to R and 0 for x belongs to N. Or we can place this as Z. So the points of discontinuity will be these points, isolated points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the graph of this function?
So how it will displace? It will displace second diagram. So
Find these points, then
also called extreme. these 2 points. In that
My function
స్టాప్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ అయ్యి వెనక్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
so points are discontinuous at these points setup and next
points దగ్గర kinetic energy is always zero. Got it? So ఇది potential energy.
what we can do, we can
ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇది చివరికి వచ్చేసింది కదా. సో డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ kinetic energy జీరో అయిపోతుంది.
for today
potential energy
I will teach only this much because there is disturbance in today's class. Tomorrow I will
these 2 points
repeat this much
at position
and tomorrow we can go for non-removable discontinuity.
position దగ్గర అయిపోతుందంటే this is the position.
So is this clear?
Kinetic energy is maximum and
No problem.
potential energy. So this gap is the
I will repeat today's